I'm very excited. I cannot keep my clothes on. I'm so excited. My thoughts on India-Pakistan match is that I support India, and it's going to be a beautiful match. And I think we should play Pakistan more often. One fashion faux pas I regret from college. Everything I wore in college, pretty much.
I'm wearing Label D, lovely outfit here. Since it's about the fashion best dress, I'm waiting to see what everyone's wearing. Very excited to be here. Thank you.
What to say? I've learned in life not to have expectation of anybody. I've come here to celebrate and have fun. I think, very honestly speaking, GQ, I always feel with GQ, I have the freedom to just like wear anything I want and be whoever I am. And I think I can express myself best when I've worked with them before. And today also I feel quite comfortable with what I'm wearing and what I'm doing. And that's why I'm here, because I really like their spirit. पर्सनल स्टाइल एक वर्ड जो अक्सर कहा जाता है, कंफर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट इट्स लिटरली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नो मैटर व्हाट यू वेयर, इंडियन, कैजुअल, वेस्टर्न, इंडो वेस्टर्न और व्हाटएवर, रेड कार्पेट, नो रेड कार्पेट, एयरपोर्ट, it has to be really comfortable. Only then I can, it's easy to carry and look good. That's all.
स्टाइल तो मेरे ख्याल से मैंने कुछ चुन के तो फॉलो नहीं किया है। हाँ, मेरे भाई से मुझे बहुत प्रेरणा मिलती है और उनके कपड़े मैंने बहुत पहने हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल से वहाँ से ही एक इंस्पिरेशन आया होगा और एक इन्फ्लुएंस होगा। लेकिन जो मुझे पसंद है, जो मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगता है, जो पहनने में अच्छा लगता है, जो अच्छा दिखता है मुझे, वो पहनता हूँ मैं। आई कांट रियली टेल यू अबाउट माई कैरेक्टर इन द मूवी जस्ट येट मैम, दैट्स नॉट माई प्रेरोगेटिव। लेकिन हाँ, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मैं हमेशा अच्छी फिल्में करूँ, मीनिंगफुल फिल्में करूँ और कुछ दिलचस्प और नया करूँ। वो तो हमेशा से मिलते आए हैं और मिलते आएंगे।
Today, that's the kind I think we should done together. Actually, that's the kind I think we should actually done together. Parties are always the best parties, so it should be a good night. My fashion is.
Well, I wore pink today. I never wear pink, so this is like quite a statement for me. Nishka, yeah. I love personal styles. I love Kalki's style. I love Neha Dhupia. You know, she makes everything work, from a white shirt to palazzos. And obviously Sonam. I love Kangna's style. I think I identify with her style. You know, she wears saris in a very cool way. I love wearing saris as well. Too shorts. Sonam obviously makes everything work. So yeah, all of them are great. Actors, Shah Rukh Khan. He makes just jeans and a t-shirt look so cool, you know.
I think it's good to wear clothes. It's awkward if you don't wear them, so that really is my fashion statement. I've decided from now on that I will not compromise.
It's a privilege, although I feel I'm getting more than I deserve. I think just being my father's son, you know, he's the coolest thing I'm wearing around tonight. He's just with me, you know, so I feel cool just showing my father off.
चलना भिड़ो, वही का वही आने वाला है बे.
I'm slowly coming back to normal from periodic fashion. So धीरे-धीरे transition हो रहा है. This is designed by Asa. I'm a big fan of his, and hi, bye. How are you? So yeah. I think it's GQ, yeah. It's GQ fashion. That's the best you could do. Yes, of course.
आज का स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड हैज स्टाइल्ड मी सो देयर इज नथिंग स्पेशल मेरे कपड़ से कपड़े हैं तो आई डोंट नो वेदर आई एम वेल ड्रेस्ड और नॉट बट आई एम रियली कंफर्टेबल एंड आई एम हैप्पी.
स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट डे टू डे यू नो डिपेंड्स ऑन माई मूड लेकिन यूजुअली जो मेरा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है इट्स मोर टू डू विथ माई म्यूजिक आई लाइक ब्लैक आई लाइक रॉक एंड रोल सो आई लाइक ड्रेसिंग दैट वे.
I am wearing this designer called Pawan Sachdeva. Yes. Let me check one second. I'm not sure. My designer wrote, yeah, Pawan Sachdeva. Just wear whatever fits you good here. Don't try and wear something because everybody else is wearing it. Wear what works for you. It's very individualistic.
I've been styled by Sukriti and Sukriti Grover, and I'm wearing a lot of labels here, and so there are a lot of labels, so I can't just name one, but I've been styled by Sukriti.
I'm wearing Raghavendra Rathore. He's my favorite designer, considering he's always backed me up whenever I needed him.
I'm wearing a outfit by Govinda Mehta. Well, I've always looked at Sanjay Dutt as the biggest style icon. You know, he's the sort of guy that can walk into a room with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, and everyone's going to turn around and look at him because he just has so much style.
Who am I wearing tonight? I'm wearing Dolce & Gabbana tonight, and my shoes are Gucci, my trousers are Gabbana. Oh God, I think I'm a fan of Amitabh Bachchan's style. I think he's fantastically dressed. Done?
just like to say that it's a lot of fun when you get to celebrate style like this at occasions like these. So it's also a good way to kind of experiment, when you want to try something new. Yeah, it's good fun.
I'm wearing Indian designer called Style and Nature. Well, I feel there's a difference between style and fashion. Style is something that you have. Fashion is what you buy. So I believe in a variety of things. It goes by every day or goes by my mood, by the month. I think it's really hot and summerish in Mumbai. That's why I like this color. I didn't go for black. So yeah, fashion keeps changing. Yeah.
Style statement ये है कि be comfortable but be different. Mr. Sachdev, Pawan Sachdev from Delhi, and he's made this specially for me. So it's quite nice. It's different. I mean, Yeah.
I'm wearing Ashish and Sony, and I'm feeling very professional and cool, and I'm really happy to be here for the GQ Best Dress 2017. Always good to know for the rest of the year what we should be wearing.
GQ Best Dressed hai. I feel GQ really dictates style in a very beautiful way. My style's always been it's been very simple, but at the same time there's always been a quirk. That's how I've enjoyed it. So I have this little splash of paint that's happening here. Otherwise, the checkered suit, it's easy. It's nice.
Breathing fast.
It's mostly to do with the environment, and being responsible about climate change, and also some animal welfare for like stray animals. That I really believe in.
क्या कहना चाहूँगा कि जो मौसम है हमारे देश में, जो हमारे सिटी में, मुंबई में मानसून आ गया है, तो उसके हिसाब से ड्रेसिंग भी चेंज होने लगा है. So I'm wearing this jacket is by D Square, and the pants I think the jeans are by Diesel, and the shoes are by Louis Vuitton, and the socks are my own. I've made them myself.
Thank you.
I mean, I would have died to be there. India, Pakistan for every cricketer is the biggest dream. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed that I couldn't be there, and but very excited for the boys, and I'm really looking forward to watching the game. It's not going to be the easiest thing to do, but I'm really looking forward to the Champions Trophy, not just India, Pakistan, but the whole series. We're defending champions, so there's a lot of pressure on our team, but I'm sure they will come up with and.
I'm wearing my wardrobe tonight. I like simple colors. For me, simple is fashion. So I mostly wear black and white. I like boots. I'm a big fan of shoes.
I mean, I'm very excited. Finally, it's raining, and there's 3 films that have released for me in 1 month. Watch out for Bank Chor on 16th June. Also, Dobara is released right now. So super excited and happy to be at the GQ Best Dress. Fashion and style is something that you feel. Whatever you feel looks good on you and whatever you can rock, you should wear it. So I'm experimentative like that. So I like to try new things and see what works.
I'm wearing Troy Costa. Troy Costa.
Abujani Sandeep Khosla. Me, I think is wear what you're comfortable wearing and what you think is your personality.
It's him only. No, him only. My family is the best. Sonam Kapoor and Anil Kapoor, sorted, like me. Best dressed is Anil Kapoor, best dressed is Sonam Kapoor.
No.
Actually, Boni and Sanjay Kapoor.
The best dressed in our family is Boni Kapoor and Sanjay Kapoor.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. We come third and fourth.
Yeah.
Third
Distant. Then the Sonam, Riya, there are lots of people. Then after that. It doesn't matter who is wearing, he's looking outstanding.